So why I have to do this every year, especially after summer. Now it's been raining. It's monsoon season in Australia here, and it's raining 24/7, which is very unlikely. The fruit trees really like it. So once the fruit trees in the pot like this, big pot, but I think it's just big enough. So I think I'm gonna transfer this one day into bigger pot. We'll see. So she's almost 4 years old. 3 years old, I believe 3 years old. So I always do that every now and then before it's head up again into winter, because this kind of blueberry, I think it's sunshine blue, I believe. So she doesn't need any partner. Unlike that blueberry, the big one there, she really need partner, different kind of breed. So sunshine blueberries like this, and the other blueberries climax, which is huge one, I need companion. But this one sunshine blue is not, so she can live without any partner and she'll bear fruit. It depends how old are they. So once when I had this like 1 year old already, I have it in seedlings, and then 1 year later give me some few fruits, and then year later, like 2 years later, like last year, they give me really good fruit as well. So year by year they give you fruits, but thing is, after they flowering and fruiting, which is really vigorously, every year I do this. It's heavy rain and it was 24/7 outside. Now I give them break. I put it inside a shed here or veranda, so you can see they are dry and rain can reach this, but it get moist for now. And then I decided to trim her today, or pruning her today. Look, this is what I did here. When there's a exist one, like little one, like bits and pieces here and heaps of them, remove some bits, remove that one, and if they're smaller, remove the one and leave the healthiest one. So that's what I do every year, guys. Maybe I did it 3 times a year, oh, 2 times a year, sorry. So I did this today, this month. I'll probably do it again if they are bushy again, but when the winter time, when they're flowering soon, like before winter, it's really good, like the autumn season. So I really like this one, and she's really flowering and fruiting all year round. Look, she even got flower, even though it's not already season, but she's still flowering and fruiting. Thing is, it's a bit smaller if they're not in season, but it's okay. She grew nice vigorously. So I prepare her. I will dig them soon in next episode, and then I give her more feeding, like